Before we start, I want to tell you exactly what you're going to see in this video. Today I'm going to show you how I created a full watercolor style piece using only coffee, printer paper, and one brush. I'll show you what didn't work, what did work, how to layer it, how to practice with just one color, and how those simple sketches turn into a finished wreath in my sketchbook. And I'm also going to tell you why this matters, especially if you think watercolor is expensive, hard, or something you're not ready for. This video started with an email that stayed with me. A woman who bought my Christmas workshop wrote to me saying she thought it was a kit, like a physical box, with everything she needed to create Christmas cards. When she realized it was a digital workshop, she felt overwhelmed because right now she doesn't have extra money to spend on art supplies. What stayed with me wasn't the misunderstanding itself. It was the fear behind her message. The fear of wanting to create, but feeling like you can't start because of money. And that's a feeling I know very well. So many people think watercolor is expensive, complicated, time-consuming, something you need to be ready for, and because of that, they never start. Or they buy everything at once and then feel even more pressure. If this is you, busy, tired, stressed, or trying to be careful with money, I want you to know something before we go any further. You don't need perfect supplies to practice watercolor. Start with what you have. Use what's already around you. When I started painting, I made the mistake of buying everything. Different brushes, different papers, paint at different prices. I honestly thought if I buy better materials, I'll get better faster. Or maybe this will help me find my style. But that's not what happened. What happened was I ended up with drawers full of supplies, some I never opened, some that literally dried because I didn't use them. Buying more didn't make me better. Practicing did. And I wish someone had told me earlier, you don't need to invest a lot to learn if you even like the process. So, when I answered her email, I told her something I truly believe. I said, if you want to take advantage of the workshop and the practice sheets, you can start with one single brush, regular printer paper, and coffee. Yes, coffee. Because the goal right now isn't perfection. The goal is relaxation, practice, confidence, and discovering if watercolor is something you actually enjoy. And of course, I had to try it myself. At first, I tried using regular coffee, non-instant. And honestly, it didn't work very well. The particles got stuck in the brush. The water barely changed color. It was kind of a mess. So if you're curious, that's not a great option. Then I tried instant coffee, and that worked beautifully. I could create very light values, medium tones, darker, richer browns, and all with one color. Coffee is actually a wonderful way to practice watercolor because it's affordable, it's forgiving, You can clearly see values. Layering is very easy. And it dries a little slower than watercolor, which gives you more time. And no, you don't need to worry about bugs or ants. Once it dries, it's completely fine. One interesting I noticed, the thicker the coffee mixture, the shinier it looks on the paper. It's actually really beautiful. I printed my brush practice sheets on regular printer paper. Nothing fancy. I practiced basic strokes, pressure, light versus dark, and this is important. You can do all of this with one brush. A basic watercolor round brush is more than enough. Once you felt a little more confident, I moved to blank printer paper and started exploring. I use a lid to create coffee rings by applying the coffee around the edge and pressing it onto the paper. Those stains became my guides. Inside each circle, I experimented with leaves, brushstrokes, different tones. I explored freely, no pressure, no expectations. I ended up with 5 different circles that looked like wreaths. And I want to be very clear about this part. These are sketches. They are not meant to be perfect. They are preparation. After that, I opened my sketchbook I painted a circle using horizontal layers of different coffee tones until the whole shape was filled. I let it dry, and yes, coffee dries slower than watercolor. Then I applied a second layer. Leaves, wildflowers, more contrast, and the composition came together in such a calm, natural way. This is exactly why I start in small works. By the time you move to watercolor paper, you already feel prepared. So, if you think watercolor is too expensive, watercolor is too hard, watercolor needs too much time, I want to talk to you, to the busy, to the tired, to the stressed, to the ones being careful with money. If all you have is one brush, printer paper, and coffee, that is enough to begin. Confidence doesn't come from better supplies. It comes from showing up and practicing. Start small. You are allowed to. If you want to practice along with me, you can use my brush practice sheets and try this at home. They are completely free. Fill out the form with your email and download them to start today. Link is in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, thank you for being here and painting with me. Until the next time, keep playing. Oh, by the way, I would love to see your creations. Tag me on social media.